Hello everybody, this is a 2021 Z970R. Brand new. If you've watched any of my other videos, especially the latest one regarding the X739, you'll know that I had a 2014 Z920M and I traded that in for this. There was nothing wrong with that mower, but I am looking forward to the different comfort features and the improvements in this one. Let's see, I ordered this June 14th and it's now July 23rd, so it came in pretty quick. Brand new. There were none in inventory anywhere, so this was a factory order. I chose the Tweels and the 60-inch Mulch On Demand Deck, and being the R series, it came with a lot of comfort features, which are probably the main reason I changed, because as somebody asked me in one of my other videos, how comfortable is my X739 compared to the zero turn. The zero turn is like riding a brick. And some things I was looking forward to is this Comfort Glide setup, where it kind of chucks back and forth. The seat does the chucking for you and saves that from happening to your back. And then the air suspension seat, dial it into your weight. And platform isolators underneath this, and the foot pad isolators. The ergonomic handles, a little more comfort. Because if you've driven one of these, you'll know after operating for an hour or so, you're tingling everywhere. You know, you feel all those vibrations. Lusby Hardware, shout out to them. Did me a great deal again. They got all my future business. This does have the 35 horsepower mower. And that one is the biggest you can get until you go to the diesel world. There's the Tweels. Made that decision for comfort also. Many reports of people saying it just rides smoother because the wheel is taking up a lot of the bounce. And the 60-inch Mulch On Demand. You can see the lever there. You don't really see some of this, how it actually works and connects in the advertisement videos. And I was actually thinking of doing the Tweels up front as well. That's not something you can order from the factory, but that's an additional thing you can do later. I did put this trash bucket set up. Ordered that from Green Parts Store. Just a few bolts. So Mulch On Demand here, let me dig in here. There's all your linkage for that. Sorry for this jostling around. And here's the handle that activates that. Down to the gate that opens or closes. And of course, underneath there are baffles that open and close. I was torn a little bit between going for the new EFI, electronic fuel injection models, but not really an option if you want to go with the Z970R. So I'm happy with this old system. The throttle is very reliable, no problems. Another thing I'm kind of excited about is the right there, raise and lower deck height. And the other one, stop the PTO, or vice versa, I should say. But raise and lower deck height and stop PTO. And then another difference from my other one, my older one, is the brake and go system. I tried this out a little bit yesterday. It seems to work nicely, and it eliminates a couple of extra safety interface switches. So that's always, you know, a couple less things to go wrong. I'm good with that. So any questions you have or any comments between this newer model and your older models, I'd love to discuss it with you if you have any interest, or if there's anything in particular you want to see close up on this model. I'm happy to make a video if people will watch it. And that is it for now, everybody. 2021 Z970R. If you don't mind, a shameless plug. Nobody's paying me for this. I just appreciate these companies. Lusby Hardware is where I bought my mowers, both of them. And they're celebrating 100 years in business, so you get the cool hat. And if you're anywhere in the Northeast, I'd drive a distance to see them because they'll shoot you straight. And then Green Parts Store, where I get all my accessories for the most part, because it's just convenient. They ship everything and ship it quick. And they are great about answering questions. And they send you a hat.